We're going to demonstrate on how to take a simple soil test, pH test with an HI 9813-5. It comes in a kit as we see it here. We have the meter and we'll have the probe. I've already pre-attached the probe, but the probe just fits in and turns on. And we'll have some calibration solutions. It's important to calibrate it, especially when you get it, because we don't know how long it's been out of calibration. So check it out for calibration. It's extremely easy. So on this one, all we have to do is we'll turn it on with the on-off button. Okay, and then we're going to put the probe in a known calibration solution. Doesn't have to be any one in particular. We are going to use pH 7. So we're going to insert the probe directly into the pack. I'm going to just kind of swirl it around a little bit to make sure that it's in contact with the calibration solution. And you can see I'm reading 6.7. That means I have to adjust it. That easy. Now I'm in calibration. So now I can do a soil test. And the standard one that we like to use is going to be 1 part soil. So I'm just taking 1 part of soil. And I am going to blend that with 2 parts distilled water. This in this bottle is distilled water. So that's 1 part soil, 2 parts distilled water. I'm going to swirl it around, and I should wait 15 minutes before I test it, but for this video, all we have to do to test it now is to place our meter into the soil, and now we can read the pH. And you can see we're reading about a 6.3. It's fresh soil, so it will probably take a few minutes for it to stabilize. But after 15 minutes, the soil will be stabilized and you can read it. Now, to read the electrical conductivity, we're going to use this MS over the centimeters. Up in the top corner here, you'll see an MS code. That means that we're on the millisiemens, and we'll swirl and there is our millisiemen reading, 0.23. So not very fertile soil at this stage. Now, to store your meter, we're going to turn it off with this on-off button. Okay. Wash our probe off. So now my glass tip in here, that's where the pH is taken, and that should not dry out because that is a porous glass. In my cap, I am going to place some of my pH 7. A couple drops is all you need. Place it on. And now that is good for probably a month or so.